Yo, what up fellas? Gonna be honest, I'm recording in 1080p because my phone don't have any memory left. I don't want to pull out the camera because it's getting dark again. But today I'm just doing a quick install of these two side skirts I got from my buddy Zoltzemba. He said he doesn't need them anymore and they should match my car better than the standard ones that come on it, the black ones. I'm gonna make sure they work first because my fear is that this is too low. That's because of this thing right here, but that might be for the front of the side skirt. I'm not sure yet. I'll figure it out. I lied. I'm actually pretty dumb. That's the front, and the back is fine. We're gonna fit these boys on. Don't know if this is the best position, but I'm gonna try to rip these off. I got the front part of the side skirt off. However, there is a self-tapping screw there that I don't remember putting there, but I think maybe it was falling off, so my shop put it there, but I'm gonna just go get a small socket to fix that. All right, so side skirt's off. Got a fucking big ass hole in the rocker, which is fine. I just won't be jacking it up from there anymore. Also, I'm going to be cleaning the car after this, so don't worry about the parts being dirty because this thing's getting a good clean. It's going into a show tomorrow, so very private event, but I'll definitely do some more coverage on that when the time comes. I'm gonna be honest, I can't tell if I like it better or not yet. I think it's got to grow on me. It is a little more aggressive though, which I can appreciate. It's got more of a lip outwards. There is a piece of plastic up there that I just don't feel like taking off right now because it's too late. I think the reason I don't like them as much is because they don't sit as low. There's a bit more gap in between the floor and the car just because these are more blocky. It'll definitely have to grow on me a little bit, but kind of on a time constraint. So I think I'm just gonna send it and hope for the best. All right, what do you guys think? Here's the OEM side skirt. And here's the painted. Not gonna lie to you, the painted definitely looks better. Just by looking at it right now. I had to look at it back to back. Yeah, I do like the look of it. It kind of flows nicer, but it is a little bit higher. Nothing that a little lowering can't fix. All right, that one was a lot more difficult. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why, but the clips just wouldn't come out. And this one had a lot more. I don't think this side skirt's ever come off. It had all the OEM clips. The other one only had like 3. It was a battle, not gonna lie, but I got them on. They look pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it brings the color scheme together for sure. I've never had parts match like that. Yeah, I love parts that match. I think it looks sick. More parts to come, I guess. Definitely getting ready to get rid of those fenders. Yo, what's up guys? I just want to apologize right now that this video was shot on my iPhone. I literally just didn't have time to get my camera out because the evening is among us and we're also like in fall and the days are shorter. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Thank you so much for commenting and liking the last video. That was awesome. I was really surprised at the engagement for that one, but yeah, lots more coming. I got a huge event tomorrow that I will be actually like filming a cinematic video for, plus just my car will be in the show. This is going to be a huge weekend because I'm also going to LZ World Tour and filming there as well. I'm media for that. Before winter hits, let's get this car prepped and ready for storage, I guess, by putting on extra parts and shit. But anyway, like and comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.